Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. A BJT in a common base configuration is used to amplify a signal received by a 50 ohm antenna. Assume KT by Q is 25 millivolts. The value of collector bias current required to match the input impedance of amplifier to the impedance of antenna. So assume that this is the antenna with impedance of 50 ohms. So antenna impedance is going to be given as, so impedance of antenna, assume that it is 50 ohms and it has to be received by common base amplifier. Common base amplifier is going to be having some input impedance, which is nothing but this is input impedance of common base Zi. So if it has to be matched between this one, if it has to be matched at that time, what must be the collector current? What must be the collector current? So that matching has to be taken place. Matching is applied. That is nothing but matching is done. To get the matching between the output impedance of antenna and input impedance of common base amplifier, how much collector current should be taken? What will be the value of collector current such that the matching between antenna output impedance and common base input impedance is going to be taking place. Okay, so we can solve this problem in this way. So common base implies nothing but the emitter terminal is going to be input terminal and collector is output terminal. This is base terminal. So this is, and whatever we are going with, this is common base amplifier for that one. If you observe, this is what the input impedance RE, we can say RE is nothing but input impedance of emitter base junction looking into emitter. Input impedance looking into emitter with base ground RE. RE can be written as VT by IE. But for common base, whatever, for the BJT, emitter current is always equal to collector current, so that it can be written as VT by IC. RE is equal to VT by IE. VT by IC also we can write, because IE and IC are going to be approximately equal. So RE is nothing but input impedance. For that one, Zi is nothing but RE. So Zi has to be equal to RE. This has to match with 50 ohm antenna impedance. So RE is nothing but VT by IE is equal to 50 ohms. IE is equal to VT by 50. VT is nothing but 25 millivolts. It was given 25 millivolts divided by 50, which is nothing but 0.5. So 0.5 milliamperes. IE is 0.5 milliamperes, which is nothing but IC. IC is also equal to 0.5 milliamperes. The only thing is nothing but there must be matching. Matching is nothing but output impedance of antenna must be matched with input impedance of common base. So Zi must be equal to, that is Zi must be equal to 50 ohms. Zi is nothing but RE for common base. RE is nothing but VT by IE. IE is nothing but emitter current. Emitter current is approximately equal to collector current. So VT by IC we can write. So from that one you can calculate IE. That value of IE is nothing but IC itself. So 0.5 milliamperes is nothing but answer. So the right answer for this one is 0.5 milliamperes. Thank you.